In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a custom indicator into NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you must have a custom indicator as a zip file that you want to import into NinjaTrader. Of course, you can create this yourself, you can use AI to help you can download it or buy it from a lot of different websites. And then once you do have a zip file, you want to go to Tools up top, then go to Import, hover over it, and click on NinjaScript add-on. From here, it's going to open your File Explorer and prompt you to actually find it. So for me, inside my Downloads folder, I have this sample indicator.zip. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, once you do this, as you can see over here, it's going to give you kind of this warning. I'm actually just going to hit the OK button, if you are, of course, if you agree with this. And for me, it says this already exists. I'm actually going to replace it, but for you, it's actually not going to say that, of course, because you are doing this for the first time. There we go, I just did this, and mine was actually called a simple spread. There we go, as you can see, it's going to say NinjaTrader successfully imported all scripts contained in the Ninja script archive file. So I'm going to hit the OK button, and then if I go to my chart, I can just right click and go to indicators over here. And as you can see in here, if I go ahead and type in, for example, the simple, there we go, simple spread is the one I actually imported. So I'm going to click on it, and then from here, you can hit the double click to actually move it down here, or click on it and click on add, then hit the apply button and OK. As you can see, there we go, my simple spread indicator, which is my custom indicator, has now been imported into NinjaTrader. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.